Hey everyone, today we are going to dive into 6 topics that are not so great side effects of the carnivore diet. You've heard of it, right? That trendy new lifestyle where you can eat all the steak and bacon that your little heart desires. Now I know it sounds delicious, but we're going to take a closer look at some of the downsides of eating all of that meat and fat. First up, less pooping and no stinky gas. Now come on folks, where's the fun in that? What's more romantic than successfully pulling off a Dutch oven? I mean, I live for those bathroom blow-ups that catch the next unsuspecting victim by surprise. Now, I have also heard that it can eliminate sugar cravings. But honestly, I cannot even imagine giving up my God-given right as an adult to eat whatever I want, whenever I want. And if I feel like devouring all of the C's chocolates that I bought for people as Christmas presents, well then I'm going to do it. I have earned that privilege. And no more lying in bed and obsessing over those cookies that are sitting in your cupboard. Now that just doesn't seem right to me. Now let's chat a little bit about brain power. Some say that eating only meat gives you some kind of mythical mental clarity. Who needs to think straightforward and be focused anyway? Living in a fog of confusion sounds way more fun to me. And seriously, why would I even need to know where I've parked my car? And what about weight loss? Who needs to shed pounds so effortlessly like that? It's like your body's almost thanking you for giving up those processed foods. And who wants to fit into their jeans so comfortably without having to unbutton them after dinner? It is so much more entertaining when your stomach pops out over the top of your pants like a muffin top. And new clothes? No, thank you. I will stick to my old ones that are worn out in all the right places. And now, reduced inflammation? Who needs functional joints? It is way more entertaining when you can walk around like the Tin Man. So let's embrace those delightful aches and pains instead of indulging in all that meat. And don't even get me started on all that protein and all the extra energy it's going to give you. What a nightmare. Just imagine all that excess energy. Good luck trying to sit still when you're bouncing off the walls. You might even feel tempted to exercise. Ew. Also, I heard someone mention that it could improve and in some cases even eliminate your diabetes. Now where's the fun in that? I've always been a bit of a risk taker. And what better way to roll the dice than indulging in all that sugary food and hoping that I can keep my eyesight and my toes intact. So after hearing about all of these less appealing side effects of an all-meat diet, if you still want to try this wild and whole foods approach, go ahead. You can go for it. But do not say I didn't warn you and come crying back to me when you start getting all of this unwanted attention when you start looking and feeling better. Ugh.